In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Chatgpt account. We're going to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible, so by the end, you'll be navigating the login process with ease and confidence. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. You might be using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or even Safari if you're on a Mac. It doesn't really matter which one, as the Chatgpt website is designed to work smoothly across all major browsers. Once you've opened your browser, make sure you have a stable internet connection before moving on to the next step. A good internet connection ensures that pages load quickly and without any annoying interruptions, which can make your login experience much more seamless. Alright, now that your browser is open and connected, go ahead and navigate to the official Chatgpt website. If you're not sure of the URL, you can easily search for Chatgpt in your browser's search engine, and it should appear as one of the top results. Clicking on the official link will take you directly to their homepage. You'll know you've reached the right place when you see the branding and familiar interface of Chatgpt. Once you're on the Chatgpt homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the login button. It may show up as login or simply sign in, but it's typically quite visible against the website's navigation bar. Click on this button and it will direct you to the login page. On the login page, you'll need to select your sign-in method. Chatgpt offers several options to accommodate different users' preferences and existing accounts. You might be used to logging in with an email and password, or perhaps you prefer using a social media account like Google or Facebook for quicker access. If you're using an email, just type it into the email field, followed by your password in the designated password field. If you're logging in with a social account, you'll just need to select the corresponding button, and you'll be guided to the next step. Finally, after you've entered your details or selected your social login method, go ahead and click the Login button to proceed. With this step, you should be successfully logged into your Chatgpt account. You now have access to a wide array of features and tools that Chatgpt offers. And there you have it, an easy guide to logging into your Chatgpt account. Whether you log in frequently or only occasionally, this process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your Chatgpt login experience. If you found this useful, feel free to share it with others who might need a hand.